Welcome to week 5 of the RD online programme. This week we have a number of exciting workshops planned for you, so do take a look on SkillsForge and sign up to the ones that you think will be the most useful and helpful for you. Highlights this week include Bring Your Writing. These are one-to-one sessions which are incredibly popular, so if you want to speak to one of the RD tutors about your writing and get some feedback, then please do sign up. But remember that these are incredibly popular, so if you are then unable to attend, please cancel your place immediately. We also have research methods happening this week, and also an opportunity for you to think about drawing your research. This week's Accelerator programme concentrates on that important relationship between you and your supervisor. We think this is such an important session that we're running it twice in 1 week, once during the daytime and also as an evening twilight session as well. So if you want to know how to get the most out of your supervisory relationship, how to ensure that that relationship is solid and is going to last for the full time of your registration, or perhaps your relationship is perhaps a little bit rocky at the moment and you want to get it back on track, then do come along and then we can talk about how we can form effective and useful supervisory relationships. Are you going to be presenting a poster this term and have suddenly realised that you lack the skills in research poster design? Well, don't panic. We have a session this week on research poster design, so do sign up and we look forward to meeting you. As with all sessions, you need to sign up via SkillsForge, but of course do take a look out for those tiny URLs if you suddenly find that you're able to attend a session that you didn't think would slot into your diary.